Biometric scan takes too long. At least we have job security. All right, let's get this line moving.
The line is running smoothly. Just monitor the pressure on this gauge. We're almost at full capacity. The pressure on the jets seems optimal now. Yes, the shells are coming out much cleaner.
Keep an eye on the feed rate into the dryer. Looks good, Supervisor. We're maintaining the pace.
The flow rate looks good on this batch. Yes, the adjustments seem to be working.
Check the reading on Sector 4. The calibration is still off. Adjust the sensitivity down by 2%. Done. That should fix the false positives.
Is the cleaning cycle optimized yet? Almost there. Okay, we are running smoothly now.
Check the next batch. Make sure they are clean. This crate is full. Bring another one over here.
The speed on the slicer looks good.
Yeah.
Yes, much better than the previous run.
The pressure on line 2 is fluctuating again. I'll adjust the flow rate now. The overall efficiency is still high.
Check the alignment on line 3. Confirmed, everything is running smoothly.
The flow is getting heavy right here. I just adjusted the setting. It should clear up.
The meat thickness is precise, approved. Ensure the edges are smooth before crating.
We are maintaining the target output rate. And the moisture levels are stable across the line.
Keep the flow steady on line 3.
Yes, monitoring the speed now.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's reading a little high. Adjusting the valve now. Flow looks steady. The flow rate is consistent. Check the sample now. Reading is perfect. We are good to go. The pressure is reading slightly high on this line.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
The pressure on line 2 is fluctuating. We need to stabilize the flow.
I'm on it. Adjusting the valves now. It looks good.
The levels are stabilizing right on target. Perfect. We can begin the next phase.
The new defoaming centrifuge is highly efficient.
Agreed. The water clarity is excellent. The conductivity levels are stable at 55 microsiemens. Good, the filtration system is working perfectly.
We have a blockage on conveyor 4. Top valve. Pull the lever, slow it down before it jams completely.
Look at this spike in the yield optimization data.
Yes, but the extraction rate in the secondary vats is still lagging behind the target.
The readings are consistent with the control group. Excellent. The bricks level is stable across all samples.
The flow rate is exceeding projections here at the intake.
Yes, but the filtration pressure remains consistent. It looks good. UV levels are stable at 250. Acknowledged. We are clear for batch 7. The flow rate seems stable. Looks good. We can maintain the current speed.
The temperature reading here seems slightly off.
All right, let's make the adjustment on the panel now.
The temperature is stabilizing now. Good, we are within the optimal range. Let's maintain this flow rate. The pH levels are stabilizing within the acceptable range. Scanner confirms internal density is perfect on this batch. Optimal quality across the board.
Look at the flow rate here, perfectly consistent.
Yes, the calibration seems precise.
The flow rate on the second conveyor is dropping slightly below optimal.
Adjusting the servo speed now.
The spectrometer confirms the optimal sugar profile.
Good. This batch is cleared for processing.
The flow rate looks steady at 500 liters per hour. Good, make sure the pH levels are monitored.
Check the gauge on the premium coconut water line. It seems a little high. I see it. Let me verify the flow rate.
The seals look good on this batch. Yeah, the pressure is holding steady. We are running at optimal efficiency.
Everything is running smoothly.
Yes, I've updated the checklist. The labels are centered.
Sterilization levels are optimal. Good, let's keep the line moving efficiently.
Looks good, keep it moving.
The pressure on line 3 is dropping slightly.
Okay, I'm logging it now. We should monitor the next run.
Aisle 4, bring that pallet down. Copy that, moving now.
The calibration seems off on the third arm. I see it. Rerunning the sequence now.
Watch the clearance on that pallet. Got it, almost there.
Carefully now, stack it evenly. We need this shipment ready by noon.
Yes, sir. We are almost done with the first pallet.
Everything looks accounted for on the manifest. Yes, sir. Just finished the last scan.
This shipment is confirmed on the manifest. Perfect. Let's get the next pallet ready for Bay 3.